Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to unblock an Outlook email. Alright, first, to get to that point, you want to have your account set up, and you can do that by heading over to your Google Chrome browser over here, typing in Microsoft Outlook on the search bar, and then heading to the first link where you will just click on to navigate through the world of activities on Outlook. Now, to get to that point, you want to have an account already set up, and you can do that by creating an account. And creating an account entails you having your email address, your passwords, phone numbers, and all the other information that will be needed for you to set up your Outlook account. Having created that account, it will take you straight up to your Microsoft Outlook page, which looks something like this. This is where you can navigate a world of activities on your Microsoft Outlook. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'll be showing you how to unblock an Outlook email. Now, unblocking an Outlook email usually involves either unblocking a sender or removing a domain from your block list, or just simply adjusting your spam or junk settings. So here's a step-by-step guide on how you can do that depending on what your situation is. Now, first of all, you want to get properly signed in, like I already said, and then the next thing you want to do is head over to your mails. All right, so this is what my mails look like. It's already displayed on the screen. Now you want to head over to your junk email so we can show you how to unblock that. So you head over to junk email. Unfortunately, I do not have any junk email, but if you do, you would see options such as block sender and domains. Now when you find that, just click on the trash bin just beside it, and then you can get it unblocked, and then click on save. On that way you can achieve unblocking Outlook email is head over to your junk email folder, which is this folder. Then find the particular email you want to unblock, right click on that particular email, select marked as not junk, and then Outlook will automatically remove that mail from that position, from your junk email to your inbox. I remember that the sender is not safe, so to ensure that your senders are safe and they do not automatically go to the junk, now you head over to your settings, head over to junk email, and then you can set those particular senders as safe senders or domains. Then when you're done, you add them there, and then you click on save. So these are the different ways you can unblock an Outlook email. Remember, if you want to unblock, head over to your junk email and then follow through the process of unblocking the particular mail you want to unblock by selecting that particular mail, right click, and then unblock them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to unblock an email on Outlook. Until next time, thank you and bye for now.